Now that we have implemented our first pathfinding algorithm, breadth first search, let's put it to the test and execute it with a grid. And you can find this example in the attached project for this course, but I'm going to quickly show you how to use it. So you have the left click to put a start position, left click again to put the end position, and with the right click we can specify some walls between our two positions. This will actually make the map harder for the algorithm. And if we click execute, then we can get a step-by-step path from the origin to the final position. Now let's see if we put a start position and an end position and execute the algorithm step by step. So the first step is actually to check the direction above. So we'll see the next position is labeled 2 because we need 2 steps to go here. And in our queue, we have 1 and 2, which is this one. It's line 1 and 2. Please note that the first line is 0 and the first column is also 0. If we click next step again, then the right position was checked, but it's a wall, so nothing to do here. The next one will be down, so another wall, nothing to do here. But the left position in this case, it's okay, so this will be added to the queue, as well as the step number would be updated with 2. Now, if you proceed, the first one to get out of the queue would be 1, 2, which is this one. And we'll check top, left, down, which is already parsed, so we uncount that, and left. Let's do it. As you see, this position ended because there's no way to continue. So the algorithm will just continue with this and this. And boom, now we have the end position. So this is how breadth first search works. Of course, it is good to keep in mind that this is the first step because we need to recreate the path. And to recreate the path, we use the recursive function that we discussed in the previous section.